But when they get out to the warehouse, the customers are really surprised at the amount of space and the amount of material we have out back. It's much bigger than it looks from the street. North Pole Trim is a building supply company in London, Ontario. We serve all of Southwestern Ontario with 16 delivery vehicles. We specialize in interior finishing products, doors, trim, hardware, stair railings, closet finishes. We have more moldings here and more diverse moldings than any other store. We have MDF, finger joint pine, poplar, oak, maple trim, all with different baseboards and casings. Home Depot might have 100 feet of something in a bin. We probably have 10,000 feet of it. We stock about 12 different types of doors in all sizes from 12 inches up to 36 inches. We do have a machine shop where we machine all our interior doors with hinges, doorknobs, and we do that with all our jambs too, so when they need to be installed, everything's already cut and ready to install. We have a sales support team here at North Pole that they coordinate with our outside team to make sure that the customers are getting the material on site when they need it. Here we don't charge for delivery. It's always free delivery in Southwestern Ontario. We schedule trucks all over every week. If you don't have customer service, you quickly don't have customers. When we say we're going to do something, we really try to do that thing. When a promise is made, we try to keep that promise.